Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So guys, you're going to be spending the weekend with me. I'm going to be taking you guys through my weekend and all of this stuff, so stay tuned and go nowhere. If you've not subscribed, please do to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, leave this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment. So come along with me and go nowhere. So I did my nails yesterday, being Thursday. This is gel overlay, not just gel polish but gel overlay. So I'm trying to grow out my nails. I don't want to wear extensions again, so that's why I opted for this. Sometimes children can be very spoiled. Like, you can be very spoiled. You can imagine if you at the background you hear Prosper's voice throwing tantrums. He just woke up at this should be after 9 or so. He woke up and all he could say is that he wants to watch cartoon. How can you just wake up? You've not said prayers. You've not told God thank you. It's to tell me you want to watch cartoon. He has started crying. This today, I will watch all the movie I can watch. I don't want to know if you watching the cartoon or not. Please don't forget to watch this one. How can you just wake up from sleep? The only thing you have in your head is to watch cartoon. That's the only thing. This holiday, don't be. Go and drink your tea. Can you wake up this morning? All you could think about is how you're going to watch cartoon. Yeah? Is that how you behave? Prosper? Is that how you behave? It's early, Mama. I wanted to know if he has come there. Fam, breakfast is served. Come and join me. So guys, I wanted to say something before I got interrupted. So guys, update on my skin. Like, you guys, there's a big update. My skin has really improved. Look at that glow. It's coming back. My skin has improved. The acne on my forehead has reduced drastically. The acne on my chin has reduced. This one has reduced. It has reduced as I'm trying to. Wisdom, please on the cartoon for him, I beg. So I'm trying to like continue with the skincare routine so that this dark spot can clear off. So that the dark spot can clear. And I don't know where one of my earrings is. So I'm trying to continue so that the dark spot can clear off. So that's what we're actually working on now, clearing the dark spots and all of those stuff. So guys, that is how it has been. I had to loosen this skirt again. I finished it, but I had to loosen it because I did not like how the design down also. I loosened it and I'm working with triple crochet. If you're a crochet artist, you know what triple crochet. If you look, you see the difference between this side and this side. So that is the updates for now. Let's continue with the vlog. So fam, this is what it looks like. This is Sony MD Arrow blah 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 wireless extra base. So I got this because of my YouTube videos. I've unboxed it, I've removed it from the container. It came with a cord, a charging cord, this cord, the normal Android ports. So I tested it where I got it. So it has a port for memory card. This is for charging. This is for in case you want to plug any microphone or earpiece to it. And this is for fast forwarding and taking it, pausing and the rest. This is the power on button, and this is basically how it looks like. So I've put my memory card just now, so I'm going to try it to see what it looks like. I'm going to try it now. So we're going to turn it on. Don't even know the left from the right. So I'm just going to turn it on. It's turned on now. I thought it's turned on. There's a light blinking here. I started playing, and it's very loud. The memory card there is the one that is showing now. Wow. The base is very interesting. So this is for editing, listening to music, because Prosper can make a whole lot of noise, so my editing now will be secure and okay. Tread carefully. Look who's on top now. Guys, I made a crochet cover for my charger. Very cute. It's going to preserve this my iPhone charger, iPhone cord. As in like almost two months I buy iPhone cord, because either Prosper eats it up or something just happened to it. But take a good look at this. I crocheted this morning. Very beautiful, and I know it's going to, this particular cord is going to last. Guys, this is another one. This is the cord for my headphone, my headset, so I had to crochet it. This crocheting of cords is like, it makes your cord exceptional. Like, person no fit just stiff your cord, like person no fit just do like this, just stiff your cord and start denying it's not your cord, it's my cord. So this makes your cord stand out and look different from the other cord. So these are the things I made this morning. I made this morning, and as you can see, my phone is charging, is working, and all of this stuff. So guys, for some time I've been looking for a help, like somebody that will be helping me at home, and by God's grace I finally got one. Like, you guys, the workload at home is so much on me that I had to get someone else to help me do some chores at home. She doesn't live with me, she just comes, do the cleaning and goes. So that's all, and I'm really happy for that decision I took. And I just like my house to always be squeaky clean. I just like it. I'm not in support of having a house help, but somebody that can come and do the cleaning and go is a win-win. Like, it's a thumbs up for me. If you have the fund to fund it, then why not go for it? And I'm enjoying mine. Only this first day she cleaned my house. My house is sparkling. Like, it's not that I don't clean my house, but when somebody else that comes for the job, for the money, does the job, there's always a difference. So I just want to give you guys a heads up on that too as well. So let's see how that goes. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Stay tuned and go nowhere. If you look at my nails, you see that my nails is reacting to something. I don't know, my skin is very sensitive and it's reacting to the gel polish I use. So my skin is actually reacting, and my cuticle, this particular spot, always itch me all the time. So I'm trying to allow the nails heal. Trying to let the nails heal. This one is even looking better. Look at this other one. This one is even healing faster than I thought. Anyhow, sure, I will survive.